Every single day, new AI tools are being released, but which ones actually matter? In this video, we're breaking down the most popular AI assistants right now, what each one is good at, and when you should use which one. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. Made by OpenAI, this is the one that started it all. It's the most popular AI out there, and it can handle almost anything you throw at it. Next is Claude, made by Anthropic. If you need to work with long documents or want more accurate, thoughtful answers, this one's for you. Then there's Gemini from Google. It's deeply connected to Google Search and all your Google apps like Gmail and Docs. And finally, Microsoft Copilot. Built right into Windows and Visual Studio Code, it's a developer's best friend. Okay, let's get practical. Let's say you want to write a professional email. ChatGPT handles this really well. Just describe what you need, and it writes it for you in seconds. Now, what if you have a 50-page PDF and you need to pull out the key points? That's where Claude shines. It can read extremely long documents and give you a clean, accurate summary. What about finding up-to-date information, like today's news or recent prices? Gemini connects directly to Google Search, so it pulls live data. The others don't always do that. And if you're a developer writing code, Copilot sits right inside your code editor, suggests code as you type, and explains errors on the spot. Now, the big question, do you have to pay? The good news is all of them have a free version. ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, and Gemini Advanced are each around $20 a month. But honestly, if you're just getting started, the free versions are more than enough to see which one fits your workflow. So here's the quick cheat sheet. Use ChatGPT for everyday tasks. Use Claude for long reading and writing. Use Gemini when you need live Google data. Use Copilot when you're writing code. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI you use the most, and I'll see you in the next one.